Alright, so looking at this on Ethereum today, 1 hour time frame, we have this very nice 16184 refresh here of this impulse with a triangle in the 4, so this thing is a very nice impulse going on. So if this is an impulse, then what happened before I think makes more sense as A and then triangle B. And we are currently finishing wave 5 of C, I think, before we drop. I mean, one thing I noticed is that every move to the upside, wave A was very steep. Then we had this move here, which was less steep, and now look at the slope of this wave C, right? It looks very weak. Like each move to the upside is losing strength, and the slope of the trend is weakening every single time. I don't think it's impulsive. I think it's corrective. And I think after this wave 5 of C is completed, we're going to go down. On Bitcoin, I'm looking at something similar, even though it's more ugly, as usual on Bitcoin, I guess. And Litecoin is very similar to Ethereum as well. So yeah, I think one tiny more push up and then we go down.